How to add your YouTube channel to your Google business profile. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So obviously you would want to do this so you can send people from your Google profile or business profile, I should say, to your YouTube channel to promote your channel and your videos and basically your business overall, and to have this type of connection between all your social platforms. So in order to do this, this is actually very easy and simple to do. The first step being is that you will need to actually log into your exact Gmail that you created the Google business profile from, or a manager account if you don't, have the admin basically. So sign in that account, make sure it is signed in, and then you would just want to go to your google.com and you basically want to search for that the business name that you created. So just type in the business name and you should find that ability to edit things in it. So in my case, this is the name that I went for because this is just a dummy one that I am using for these videos. And once you actually search for it, you should find this box, which should say something like you manage this business profile, only visible to managers. And then you will find that the name of the business is shown here with the image and the button that says view profile. You just want to click on view profile, and here, if you're logged in the manager account or the actual creator account, you'll be able to manage your business, edit things in it, add things to it, products, review, whatever it may be. So in here, what we need to do is just go ahead and find this over here, which is add social profiles. If you click on that, it's going to be a shortcut, which is going to take us to business information, the contact section. This is where you will find it. So once you do this, you will find social profiles, build customer trust by sharing your social profiles. This is going to include Instagram, Facebook, your YouTube channel, which is what we're going to be talking about today, and a lot. So just go ahead and go to this section, click on social profile, and you will find all of these social media platforms that you could link. So in our case, obviously, it's going to be YouTube channel. So you'd want to click on YouTube, and then you would want to paste in the actual link for your YouTube channel. This is the one that we will be using for the sake of this video. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. Now it's going to take a little bit of time to be reviewed, about 10 minutes or so. But just make sure you have added the proper one for yourself and you're good to go. Now, if you want to add more to it, so for example, your Instagram profile as well and so on, again, just go to your social profiles within contact, click on the pencil icon, and you will find the add social profile button. Click on that and you'll be able to add your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, and so on. If not, you can just go and proceed to remove this, click on save, and you're pretty much set to go. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.